Hi everyone. I'm going to share video with you very soon.
This year you will suffer no loss.
I want to walk you through. Hi everyone. Today I want to walk you through how to navigate through Windows 11. So this is how the interface look like. So majority of us have been asking how Windows 10, how Windows 11 look like. It's just right here. So here is when you click on this one, it shows you all the apps, all the applications that is installed on this on Windows 11. So you can search for all the apps. Like here, I have PowerPoint, I have Edge, which is another operating system. I have Excel, I have Mail, Calendar, Microsoft Store. Maybe if I want to download any software from Microsoft Store, or my photos, my settings, Office 365, Xbox, Spotify, and so much more. So this is definitely my apps, all my apps that is downloaded here. You can, if you want to go back, you click on this, it will go back. So this is all the apps on my Windows 11. And also here is maybe when you are trying to search for something, you can go to click on search button here, and you can type what like you want a control panel. It's like a search bar. When you click on this, say control panel, the control panel comes up and you can enlarge it from here. And yeah, this is the control panel. So if you want to install a program, or if you want hardware or whatever, or you want to have your printer. So you go to free printer and device, click on here, and these are the printers. You can add print to PDF, Microsoft Writer printer, OneNote for printer, fax. So all your printers are here. These are all your hardware. So you have to download it. And if you want to make it a default, you can just right click, set as a default printer. You see? You see set up, you can set this one as a default printer. You can also do a test print. If you want to do a test print, you go here, you see printer properties, click on that, and you say print. It's going to print the properties to know which printer is connected to the systems. Okay, these are all the printers, so I don't have any printer connected to this one, so that's why it's not showing any printer. So I'm still going to show you more things to do, like if you want to, like here, it has a sidebar. You know, if you want to uninstall a program or you want to add another program, so you can go to control panel here, like here, all programs. So you click on programs, program and features. So these are all the program that is installed here. So if you want to uninstall, you can just right click, uninstall. Right click, uninstall, change, repair. So you can make a lot of changes. You see, I'm scrolling down. You can make a lot of changes to them. You can install all the applications that you have on your Windows 11. All we all display here. And if you want to uninstall them, you have to come to this place and do the uninstallations. Okay. So here is yeah. So
My God. Get up there.
So yeah.
Oh my God.
So if you want to uninstall it, you can uninstall it. If you want to feel installed, how to install the programs, you know, all features are all here. This is going to show you Windows App and Learning, how you can install all the programs. Here I'm sharing how to manage my government plan budget. This is easy with Microsoft Office, Microsoft 365. So you see, this one is just downloading and updates the files and drivers. So let's go to downloading and updates. Here is the installation and update. We have system requirement for installing Windows 10, update Windows updates, and frequently asked questions, troubleshoot problem with Windows, and so on and so forth. So here is showing you how to do the installations and stuff like that, installation and update. And this one is saying drivers and devices. So if you want to add any device, if you want to add a new PC, you want to install a new printer, or you want to do any of the updates, like you want to install latest driver for your printer, you can always go here. If you want to fix problem, if you want to fix printer problems in Windows 10, or you want to fill the print query, like when you send when you send something to your printer and it's not printing, this is how you can fix the query. Yeah, you click on here, and this is what is open query. Say find something, printer. You see on the search bar, just search for device, and here you say on your printer, you have to search for which of your printer. You click on it, and here it's open quick, and it's going to show you open printer. And that's how to do that one. And also I want to show you the other one, which is network and internet. So you want to connect it to the internet, we have to come here. This one here talk about the internet. Here is the internet. So you click here to look for the internet that you want to connect it to. So you can search for which internet is. This one is wireless. We have wired and wireless. Wired, you have to connect it to the Ethernet cable. And that is how here, you click on here, and when you come up, here it is your internet connections. And here shows it's connected. So you can disconnect it from here. You can also cancel to make it not Wi-Fi enabled. You click on there, the internet will go. So we don't want to press that because it's what I'm using to communicate with you. Also here, file and storage. If you have your storage, like you have something you want to store, or you have your storage, everything is right here. So this is how to show you how to your file and storage. You learn about the file explorer, Windows 10, customize file explorer, quick access, share files in a store. You see, you can also, if you have OneDrive on your PC, you can put all your storage there. So this talks about Windows 10. This is Windows 11. Here you click on Windows 11 because we are working on Windows 11. So okay, OneDrive is just a storage where you store all is a Microsoft applications where you store all your data. So it's another area you want to look at as well. Also, yeah, so I'll be back. I just want to play music for you and I'll be back. Thank you for joining me. So I'll show you more things to do. Thank you. Bye.
Did you know that instead of buying products on Amazon, you can actually sell them and earn passive income while you sleep? This little product.
Yes, so sorry for that little break. Just went for a break. My attention was needed. So as I was showing you, this is Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 8.1, Windows 7. So they are all different operating systems. So here is Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11. So here I want to go back. You see, on Windows 10, it gives you through your OneDrive, or also Windows 10, it shows you a lot of options. Find file in Windows 10. If you want to find a file, learn about File Explorer in Windows 10, customize File Explorer. So here we go here, it's going to show us. So like you are looking for File Explorer in Windows 11. So you just have to click on the meeting notes. It depends on what you, this is Microsoft Word. Depends on what you save your file with. You can just go to the search bar and you click on what you are looking for. You click search, and that's right here. Search. This is the search button where you can look for what documents that you are looking for. So you just click on it and you search for it, and it will just pop up, and you just click on it. So it's so easy how to find your documents in Windows. So I want to go back here. I've learned about Explorer, File Explorer, customize File Explorer, quick access. You want to access this quickly. Like this is how you can access your file quickly. So you have to pin, remove, or customize in quick access. So you can pin it to the taskbar here. You can remove or quick access. So by default, File Explorer opens to quick access. You can set a folder to show up in a quick access. So it will be easy to find. Just right click on it and select pin to it to quick access and pin it when you don't need it there. So right here, you just go to my PC. So like I want to go to my file here, you click here. Oh, okay, I can just take this one down. I take that one down too. And here is my PC. I click here, and this is my file here. See, talk about my documents, talk about my documents, my desktop, pictures. Here is my file, is where my file is. And here is quick access. This is what it's talking about, quick access. So let me go back here. Yeah, let me go back and show you. This is Python. I have Python on my system. This is for programming language. I'm going to teach you and walk you through some of those programming languages. You're going to learn a lot while watching my videos. Just want to show you the file. I'll continue to show you what I was showing you before. So this is how to navigate through it. You have to search for it here, and that comes up, and then from there you can start working on it. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So it's nothing difficult. I'm not going to Chrome. Just want to show you how you can operate Windows 11. Okay, so this is just a desktop, as you can see. I'm showing you the desktop here. This is my desktop. You can all see my desktop. And if you want to navigate through your software or whatever, here, if you look at my mouse, down here is where you see the start button. If you click here, it pop up, and if you want to shut it down, here you click here and you go here. You say restart, shut down, sleep. So restart, if you want to restart it, shut down, and here if you want it to go to sleep. Also, I can give you another command how you can shut it down. Go to start, type here, you could type CMD command. So when you click on CMD, the command prompt will come up. You now say shut down. So if I click this, it's going to restart the window. So when I say restart, it's going to restart it. So I'm just giving you so many options you can use with your CMD. So also, if you want to do your CMD, if you want to ping to network, you also go here. That's if you want to ping to see if another device has internet, you just do CMD, enter. And I want to show you how you can do your GP update. That if you want to update some of your program, you just say GP update. So this is how to do GP update. GP update /force, enter. Then enter. And this you have to press the enter button from your keyboard. And this will update all your GP, you update all your document from your systems. Also, I want to give you another thing how you can do other stuff, like you want to ping to network. This command means command is just like a CMD, like you want to do command prompt. CMD, enter. So here, you say ping, you put the device number, say enter. So it's pinging, like you see, pinging, 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 pinging. Time out, time out, time out. So I'm trying to ping if another computer is on the internet or is connected to the internet. This is how to do it. So I want to show you another CMD as well. If you go here, you press CMD, enter. CMD, enter. Then I want to see the IP address. Config IP. I want to see the IP address. I don't want to put my IP address on top so that people don't come and hack me. So I'm not trying to put my IP address. You see your IP address, you go to config IP, and that will show you your IP address. So we have a lot of commands that we can work on here. Like if you press here, the command is just, you are trying to command the system to do something. CMD, enter. Here is just the command prompt. That if you want to do like command, and that's it. Yeah, and there are much to do with it. So if you also go here, like this PC, and go to setting, you can do a lot with setting. You can change your how to do your settings. I just want to show you, or okay, let me show you. Want to change the resolution? Just right click, display setting. So on this display, you can change a lot of things. So you go to display. Here is the layout. How you want it. If you want it bigger, you can set it to 150. You see it's bigger. Want it more larger, you can set it to 150. You can also set it to 175. How you want to see your screen. See it's becoming bigger. If you want to reduce it, just go to 100, which is the recommended ones. Also, you can use this here to drag your mouse to drag the screen down. See, I used to drag it up and down. Also here as well. See, you can use it to drag it up and down. Yeah, so if you want to let it fit to screen, go down. And also you can drag it down here. I'm just trying to drag the screen down. You go down, you drag it down. So you want the display resolution, you can change it here. So I'm on 119 by 180. This is the recommended one. If you want a small one, if you want a landscape, portrait, you see. This is I don't want that. So how do I come out? I have to go here. Or I can press escape. Yeah, you just press escape and that will come. Also, if you want multiple display, if you're on different desktop, you can do multiple display here. If you want to display, we have 3 desktop connected to one computers or one device. You can add other display to it, and you can make 1, 2, 3. You can make it the main display. You can make that second display, third display. So graphics, you can also do your graphics here. So if you want to do the graphics, how you want to be, desktop, have the brush. We go back here. Yeah, it's so much more. Also for battery, your battery life saving, you can set it power mode, optimize your device, or if you want to optimize it, but this is we say you should sleep. If you want it to sleep, you say 10 minutes when plug in, turn off my screen after 10 minutes, when plug in, put my device to sleep after 15 minutes. If you're not doing anything, after 15 minutes, your device will sleep. So if you want to do the setting, you can go here. You see? Let's see, after 3 hours, 15 minutes. And when nothing, say 10 minutes. So yeah, you can select that. Come back here. We have so much to do here, so much. Like this is the app, this is the personalizations. If you want to connect it to Bluetooth, you can go to Bluetooth here. You can have the device. Click here on the device. And here, you're going to turn on your Bluetooth and you can connect to it. You see, searching for device, bedroom TV, TV, blah, blah, blah. So you can only select and connect. You select and connect. Select and connect. So you can have a lot. You can have your phone access to your Android devices, photo and text and more. So if you have an Android phone, you can do a lot of stuff to it. You just come here and you can have your phone. Put your phone. Show me suggestion for using my Android iPhones with Windows. Yeah, I can show you some suggestions there. So you can go here, autoplay. If you want to connect your USB drives, it's just like a storage. So simple add storage. Then you press to it. So you can go here. Yeah, there are much to do with it. Clipboard. If you want to do snipping pool. So how do you do a snipping pool? You can do Control Window S. You see the snipping pool. Voice recognition setup. You can do a lot of shortcuts to it. Also, I'm going to teach you how to do some work in Microsoft Office. This is Microsoft Office, where you have all your files. You want to create new files. This is Office here. This is Outlook. This is the Office. You can open your document from this. And I already have my document here. So I'll make it 2. I cancel here. So I can show you how you can make it to display 2 and how you can make it to display 1. Yeah. You can do normal display, you can do double display on your screen to make it shorter. So I just want to show you here. This is part of my web design classes that I'll be taking some students 10 key steps to building a great small business website. I wrote this one before, and if you want to contact me, this is my phone number 306-880-5043. If you need anything, and this is our website. You have some documents written down and showing people how to get things done. Also, I will teach you Excel. So many things. This is if you want to have multiples browser. I have Mozilla Firefox. I have a Google Chrome here that I use. I also have this on my desktop. These are my tools that I use. This is Asodara Studio. These are big programs. This is a big data program that we use. So Asodara, you see, it's like a data studio that we use to do some of our work. Yes, we use it to do some of our work. Yeah. So it says start a store. Let's start a store. Yeah, it is. See, this is your data studio. Yes. Get started creating your own book or collection of them in a single place. Extend the functionality of our software studio by installing extensions developed by US, Microsoft, or as well as third-party community view. You see, customize our software studio based on your preferences. You can configure settings like autosave and tab size, personalized keyboard, shortcut, and switch to a color theme of your liking. And also discover top features, recently open file, and recommended extensions on the welcome page. For more information on how to get started in Azure Data Studio, check out our reviews and documentation. Finish. So this is our data studio. You can do much with it. You know, it's a little data place where you can create a connection, run a query, drive data through a query. You can connect it to deploy it to a server where you want your stuff to go on server. So SQL, me again, SQL profiler, SQL server import, SQL, can install all of this. You can say I want to install. So I said you should install all of those. I'm trying to do installations of all of these. These are just the extensions. Yeah, so you like to take a quick tour of our Sound Data Studio. So this is just some glancing about some of the tools that we use. We also have here the MySQL. SQL Server Management Studio is a Microsoft software that we have our data in. You can have all your data inside, and then you can do much with it. And this is also very good. Yeah, this is the server. So here you have to log in the password, database engine type. You have to select database engine, data analysis, reporting integration, as well as SSI integration with runtime. So you select, put the password, you connect. And this will connect to the SQL server where you can use to publish your data. So file, go here, file, edit, new tab, tools, window, app. So you have to log in. It's giving me so many options, network size, SQL. Yeah, there are much to do. So you just fill browser, web browser, you can fill it on the web browser, you see. It's quick start and SQL, Data Studio. Yeah, there's so much to do here, brother. So you just have to make it work. Yeah. I want to close it. So I'll close it. I'm back to my desktop. Also, this is another one. It's just AI, artificial intelligence, Acrobat Reader. Can do so much with it. Yeah. And by so doing, I would like to show you our company, our presentation. Maybe you have something you want to give to us. I'm going to do a new share. I'm going to open it and coming. Yeah, because someone said they couldn't hear me last time. So I just want to show you our presentation. So yeah, so we are an international company based in Regina. IT consulting with headquarters in Regina. So we have completed about 220 projects, and we have about 2 in-house teams. We are partnering with GoDaddy. We also partner with Dell, HP. We deliver all your hardware. GoDaddy supplies all our web hosting and stuff. So like I said, we are solution oriented. We focus on solutions. We always making sure that we get solutions for our customers. So we offer a range of solutions, meaning that you can select which services are best suited for your business. All services have a core focus to improve your business's efficiencies and drive growth. Yes, you have to select what you think is best suited for your business. And yeah, so all aspects drive growth, and also making sure that your business is up there. So we're gonna making sure that we get the best for you. So yeah, you have to make sure that you select the best for yourself, and we're gonna get you the best out there. Okay. So select what kind of business that you want us to work on. It could be in the areas of deployment. Maybe you want to change your devices, or you want to We'll get the new software applications, how to use those software. We're going to teach you and walk you through it, and we're going to making sure that you get the best out of it. So yeah, so we our approach to addressing customer challenges goes beyond meeting requirements. Our knowledge across domain help us arrive at a solution that are innovative, optimized, and cost-effective, helping achieve productivities. Yes. So we have a flexible engagement. You can always reach out to us. We are 24 hours open. You can reach out to us anytime. So we have a flexible engagement. We design a sourcing solution to meet specific client requirements and offer flexible engagement models. Our resources can be engaged full time. So we have you can engage our resources full times, yeah, and engage it full times. You just have to tell us what you need to do for you. We're going to make it happen. Also, we are consulting and optimization. Our process, our seventh processes consulting and organization is an end-to-end solution from service to implementation. We specialize in turning services with a measurable and sustained result based on our industry knowledge of how successful organization operates and excel. We work with organizations to build competitive advantages across all aspects of operations. Yeah, we work with all all of them to build a competitive, across all of them. So we'll be making sure that we get the best for you. Yeah, we will get the best for you. So also, what is our process? We have to know our process. We share a document, discuss the scope of the work, as the description. We share a document that will discuss the scope and also review your process requirements and scope documents. Yes. Also, an initial proposal detailing requirements, estimated timelines, and estimated costs. So we're going to send a proposal that will tell you how long it's going to take us to work on the projects. We also do business discovery sessions. So we're going to discuss on how to discover your business, on how you can scale on projects, on-site discovery meetings conducted with a detailed walkthrough of objective within the scope document and review of the supporting processes and documents with key stakeholders, project sign-off. So based on the discovery session, we will present you with a final proposal for sign-off. So we give you a final proposal so you can sign off. And also, there will going to be like a benefit realization. We'll work with your key stakeholder to identify the benefits. So like the benefit of what we're going to do to you, we work with your teams and the project owner, which is the stakeholders, your boss, to making sure that we identify the benefits. Also, implementations, we work with you and your team to successfully roll out new systems and processes. So if you want us to change your systems, maybe you have outdated systems you are running on Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, and you want to change to Windows 10, we can help you with upgrading all your systems and making sure we image them and making sure they are running on Windows 10. So we do all of this for you. So yeah, digital transformation, we can transform all your digital business aspects. We leverage digital transformation to streamline workflow and improve productivity across business units. Digital transformation is the application of new innovative technology, including robotic process automations and artificial intelligence. These powerful tools can provide business with an unparalleled competitive edge. Also, our 7 is a learning process. We provide customer-centric digital transformation, digital marketing, business management, business growth, sales, operational excellence, and IT-related professional training program to help individual and organizations thrive in shifting markets. featuring high quality flagship programs, mastermind events, and on-demand training session. For 7 Tech, we accelerate learning and untimely business outcome. So we're gonna making sure that we give you the best. Yeah. So you are welcome to schedule a meeting with us, and we're gonna make sure that we fulfill the promise. We do exactly what we preach, what we're telling you. So making sure that you get the best out there. Yeah. So you just have to get to reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help you on any of your projects that you may have at hand right now. We'll be helping businesses across the country, and we are delivering high-tech solution to them, and also making sure that we fulfill the business requirements, and making sure their business is running efficiency, and you know and increasing their income as well. So you just have to reach out to us, and we'll be making sure that we get you exactly what you are looking for. So I'm just going to put you on a hold for quick here, so to do some work. So let me just put you on a hold. So while I put you on a hold, you have to listen to music. Yeah, I'm going to play you some music. Yeah.
when we started in 2017, we both worked full time. Chris was a firefighter, I was a teacher, and after 2 years, we left our careers early, and now we do this full.
Thank you for joining us today. Really appreciate your time. I know you are very busy. And also I'm going to show you our website. You can look through our website. So let me share our website for you here. Okay, so yeah, this is what I was looking for before. I'm now to walk through quick access, how to work on Windows 11. We are sharing some information here on what to do on Windows 11 and what you need to do. Yeah, it's so simple. You want us to install your Windows for you, or you need help in doing the configurations, you can always reach out to us, and we'll always be there to help you. Yeah. Yes, so let me share you our website. Let me just go here and click on. You need us for something. You just go here. News, I'm gonna go news here. Now see screen, share. Yeah, so maybe you need us for IT managed services. We can help you to do all your IT stuff, you see. So if you're anything businesses, and we can also help you as well. I don't know what you need us for. You need the hosting. We also there. We do cloud solutions, panel hosting, live hosting, managed WordPress hosting, business hosting, PPS hosting, domain registration, bulk registration, domain transfer, bulk transfer, and domain barcode, dedicated server, hosted server, and AMP desktop hosted exchange. You can always reach out to us on this number if you need us to do any hosting for you. Yeah, so also I don't know what you need a backup. You want to back up some documents. Yes, we can help you get those backup done, like a website backup, Amplify, or an entire database, continuous security monitoring, on-site and off-site data backup, location disk transfer recovery, data retrieval. We can also do all of that for you. Yeah. Yes. So cloud. So computing is you can do all of this for you. Development, maintenance and services, in-house branding and marketing. I can help you for your branding, your marketing stuff. So yeah, our shops here. You go to the shop, click on it. You can always buy all our products. Where you can buy this one, you can buy that one. You can buy this one too. So it all depends on you what you're looking to buy. Yeah. Yes, so yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for taking your time to speak to us tonight. And if you need any of our services, you can always reach out to us and we'll be there for you. Should we go back? Let's show this one. Yes, this is error data. Fix this there. Reviews. Yes, so we have other little products. I'm going to show the prices and yes, sir. With our partners that we work for inside to yeah. So let us just call it a day for today, and we will reach out to you soon. We'll reach out back to you soon. Yeah. Thank you for joining us and bringing us to you. Bye for now. Thank you.